One, two. It's so hard to say it, but darling, let's face it. These feelings we're feeling cannot be ignored. If you're scared that you'll say something you'll regret, well, love is something that's best when quiet. Avoid a fight and be polite. Just shut up. Wait a second, that ain't right. Every journey's gotta start with a step. So go on out there and give it your best. I'm taking a chance cause I like you a lot, so I'll give it a shot. Give it all that I got. La-di-da-di-da, la-di-da-di-dee. Suddenly you call my name and I lose my brain and I float up to the moon. La-di-da-di-dee, la-di-da-di-da. When you laugh it makes me smile and I love your style, so I wrote a song to this tune. Thank you, stars, for giving to me the greatest gift that's still yet to be. I don't mind if fate's playing games. I'm happy all the same. It's so hard to say it, but darling, let's face it. These feelings revealing cannot be ignored. So I'll work on this letter till our timing gets better. Sincerely, yours truly, and forevermore.